Hello Guchies team and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all have been doing great. I'm going to be making some tea, guys. It's very hot where we are right now and a lot of people are falling sick around us, so we want to be careful. Look at what the weather looks like. I think there's hurricane somewhere. It's been raining somewhere in Atlanta since morning. Since morning it's been raining. Look at the weather. I just have to come out to pluck this herbs because I need it for my tea. Alright, so stay tuned and enjoy this vlog. See how beautiful things are going. Yeah. My lemongrass is flourishing. My lemon and lime is doing good. I'm so happy. I haven't entered this garden in a while. Cocoyam is doing great. The garden is flourishing to the glory of God. I am so grateful. Yes, it's a very healthy herb for your tea and so on. Very healthy. Guys, honestly, this tea is everything for me and it's very important for my family. I'm making this tea because my environment, a lot of people are catching COVID. You can imagine there is still COVID. I don't know why. Maybe because it's been raining, maybe because of the weather or the hot weather. I think it's the hot weather. So I decided that I want to protect my family. I want to make sure we are careful. This tea honestly is everything. If you don't know, look at it on my channel and make it for your family. I have different recipes on this tea on my channel. I'm trying to get everything ready, so when I start making it, I'll just find it very easy. Sometimes you don't want to be in the kitchen, you know. So this is how to peel your pineapples. Just get rid of all of this. Make sure to wash your items properly with vinegar, salt and water. You don't have to make this quantity, depending on how much quantity you want to make. So I am making a big pot. I like to make a big pot. If you have been watching me on this platform, you will know whenever I'm making this tea, I make a very large quantity because I want it to just last us for at least 1 week. Okay, and I love to share also. I cannot stop sharing the testimony of this tea during COVID-19. God used me to help a lot of lives with this tea. This is number 3, guys. I think I will just use 3. I don't want to work too hard. Just want to rest my body. Do this gently. So we're going to be using 3 pineapples actually. I might be keeping one for us to munch with as we are waiting to get our food ready. But yeah, all of this is going into our tea, trust me. This is going to be a different recipe, but very close to what I have been showing you guys anyways. Drop your comments on the comment section if you are learning anything. It's good for your immune boosting tea. So if you have pineapple peels, please keep it for this purpose. I'm going to be doing some watermelon for my family to eat with. So I'll just go ahead and cut some. Wow, this is really good. This watermelon is looking very juicy, but at the same time not looking like it's good. I'm going to return this probably. The watermelon tastes very beautiful, but it's not good, so we are not going to eat it. So this is my lemongrass. I've soaked it in here. And this is my yam leaf. I can go on and on and on about these herbs. They are very healthy. Okay. I have lemon here. I have lime here. I have bitter leaves. And I have lemon and lime leaves here. Okay. So I'm going to put them in the pot one after the other. I have here is turmeric and some of these pineapple peels. Make sure your water boils properly before you add your pineapple peels and your turmeric. Just go in with your pineapple peel. use enough if you have enough, okay? This tea is wonderful. But this is another recipe that I'm going to show you. So here's my lemongrass. It's my lemongrass. I'm going to add it in. At this point, you just want to go on to add everything and then cover it. Yeah. So here's my bitter leaf. Add it in. Sorry about the noise, guys. This is my yam leaf. I mean, it does a lot. I'm going to be sharing with you what all of this will do for your body. I'm going to be sharing with you on a very good day, guys. And here's my lemon and lime leaf. I'm going to add it in. If you look up the health benefits of all of these herbs, you're going to say thank you, Guchies. I'm going to chop all of this. By using all of this, you can use as much as you can. If you have enough, go ahead. Please give this video a massive thumbs up and share to your family, friends and loved ones. I have different recipe on this on my channel. Go and look it up. It's going to be very helpful. I'm going to pour this into the tea. So I put all of this. Remember, we blended some pineapples into it also, but we are going to eat this. I'm going to blend this cloves into it also. Here I have cloves, ginger and turmeric. Blend all of this together and add it. If you have ever tried this recipe since I started sharing it, drop it on the comment section. Add this in, guys. Thank you for watching till this moment. I really appreciate it. You need this. So these are all the blended stuffs. Just go in with them and mix them. If you're going through pains all over your body, this will help you. If you're going through inflammation, it will help you. Trust me, this is helping a lot good. It's helping a lot of people, and if I can tell you, I make this most often. It's a regular tip for my family and I indulge you to do this. If you're living in the diaspora, honestly, you can order these things from Amazon. I don't know, I'm not very sure. But honestly speaking, if you're anywhere around where I live here in Savannah, let me know. I will do you well to give you some of these herbs. I give a lot of people. Why not? We are here to save lives, and that's what I'm here to do. Here's the lemon and lime juice. Add everything in. Please turn on your notification bell so you always be the first to get my new uploads. This is a good medicine. I have a lot of people testifying about this tea on my platform. Go and look it up. Finally, go in with all of this. Once you add it in, just cover it up, allow it to cook for 20 minutes, and our tea is ready. Make sure you take this when it is warm first before you eat anything, and maybe before you go to bed. Take 1 glass before you eat anything in the morning. Take another glass before you lay down, okay? And you will love that you did. Like I said, because of time, on a very good day, I will have a sit-down video, or I'll go live on when I will teach a lot of people who want to really know. I know a lot of you have questions. A lot of you want to know about these herbs one after the other. I'm going to make out time. I have a very busy schedule, but I'll make out time where I'll go live and I'll make this tea and I'll share with you the health benefit of each and every one of these herbs, so you can know how important they are. So if you can access these herbs, please go ahead and make this for your family. I'm sure you're going to love that you did. Thank you for staying, and God bless you all really good for always coming back to watch my videos anytime I upload my videos. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do me well to subscribe. Please turn on your notification bell. It doesn't cost you anything, so you can get my new uploads anytime I upload new videos. And please share to your family, friends and loved ones. These are very healthy herbs that helps a lot of people. I'm sure it's going to be very helpful. God bless you. Thank you. And just in case, please, if you're making a larger quantity like what I'm doing, you leave it to cook for 20 minutes. And remember to always allow your water to boil very well before you add your pineapple peels, you add your turmeric, and then you go on to add every other thing. God bless you. Ciao, ciao. See you soon.